Today I'm taking a look at the new Levoit VortexIQ Pro cordless vacuum, and if you've seen some of my other vacuum reviews, you know I care less about flashy marketing and more about how a vacuum performs in a real home with everyday dust, dirt, pet hair, kids, and whatever else ends up on the floor. I have a shedding bulldog and 3 kids, and for the life of me, I can't keep my house clean. So I'll cover the features, performance, and whether it's worth considering if you're shopping for a cordless vacuum. Now the first thing you'll notice, and the most notable feature, is called the Neosite Dust Detection. It's a high contrast green LED light built into the vacuum head that shines across the floor at an angle to reveal dust, dirt, and fine debris that you probably won't normally see. And if you saw my Levoit LVAC 300 review, this was the only thing that I felt the vacuum was missing. There's a nice light on the front, but frankly I thought, why put that light on when you can put the green LED light, which is so much more helpful? And they must have heard me, because they added it to the new vacuum here, and I can say it is everything that I hoped it would be. Levoit says the light provides 150 degrees of coverage, and frankly, if you've never used a vacuum with a green detection light before, it can be really eye-opening. Dust that looks invisible suddenly becomes incredibly obvious. And once you use this feature, you will not own another vacuum that doesn't have it. In terms of cleaning performance, the VortexIQ Pro delivers 110 air watts of suction. It is more than enough for daily maintenance cleaning on hardwood floors, area rugs, carpets, in between couch cushions, beds, etc. One feature I really appreciate is Levoit's triple strike anti-tangle brush roll. I myself have long hair, including my daughter and my wife, so the brush includes 4 silicone blades that help remove wrapped hair before it builds up around the roller. If you have pets, long hair, or family members whose hair somehow ends up everywhere, you'll know exactly why this matters. Battery life is another area where this vacuum performs well. Levoit rates it up to 60 minutes on eco mode with the crevice tool attached, and up to 40 minutes when using the main vacuum head. Real world runtime will depend on your floor type and power setting, but for most homes, that's more than enough time to clean several rooms or all of the house without needing a recharge. The vacuum uses a 5-stage HEPA filtration system that captures 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns. That's especially useful if you're dealing with dust, pet dander, or seasonal allergies, because the vacuum is designed to keep those particles trapped instead of blowing them back into the room. And a small side note is sometimes these HEPA filters are difficult to reach in other vacuums, so they're difficult to get to or swap out. It's incredibly easy on the Levoit. And another nice touch is the design. Vacuum is lightweight. It's about 7 pounds depending on how it's measured.
And it's self-standing on hardwood floors and even some carpets.
That may sound like a small thing until you're cleaning and need to stop for a minute in order to answer the phone or let the dog out or answer the door. So now, outside of the Neosite, my second favorite feature is the 180-degree lay flat design, allowing the cleaning head to slide underneath beds, couches, and other low furniture without requiring you to move everything out of the way first. There's an LED display on the back that shows battery life, suction level, and maintenance notifications. It's simple, easy to read, and provides the information you actually need while cleaning. And as for accessories, Levoit includes a 2-in-1 crevice tool, a mini motorized brush for upholstery and furniture, and a charging dock. The mini motorized brush is particularly useful if you have stairs, couches, or car interiors that collect pet hair. Now, if you are familiar with the LVAC 300, you'll notice some similarities. Overall design, filtration system, runtime, cleaning experience feel very close, which is perfect because there's nothing wrong with it to begin with, and I really didn't want any of that stuff changed. The biggest upgrade here is really the Neosite green dust detection light, along with some refinements to the motor and brush roll design. So if you're already happy with an LVAC 300, this isn't a revolutionary jump forward. Overall, I think Levoit did a phenomenal job with this one. It provides solid suction, good battery life, effective filtration, anti-tangle technology, and one of the better dust detection lights I've used in this price range. It's designed for people who want a lightweight cordless vacuum that can handle everyday messes without a lot of maintenance. So if you're in the market for a new cordless stick vacuum, I highly recommend this one from Levoit. This one or the LVAC 300, frankly, are phenomenal options and you will not go wrong. So hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.